Okay, we are first time removing EGR. We need to unscrew here this bolt, and this for here, and then we will remove the power supply. I remove this 6 screw and gasket, and I will now first time see what is this EGR look like. Oh my god, oh, it's very dirty. Okay, I prepared the cleaning tools, and now first I will disassemble these 4 screws and show you how I clean. Okay, I must tell you I'm surprised how it's working. It's very easy, so I will just cleaning without disassembling this spring here. So guys, I couldn't resist, so I disassembled everything, and I must clean this hole down. As you can see, it's very dirty. And this part is just like I knew, but I'm seeing over here some scratches.